Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Figuring out where to mail your federal income tax forms can be surprisingly tricky, and sending it to the wrong place can cause serious delays with your return and your refund. The right address isn't the same for everyone. It actually depends on three main things. First, the state you live in. Second, the specific form you're filing, like the standard Form 1040. And third, a really important one, whether or not you're including a payment with your return. The absolute best and most reliable way to find the correct address for your specific situation is to go directly to the source, the IRS website. Just go to irs.gov and use their search bar to type in where to file Form 1040. This will lead you to a page with a complete, up-to-date list of mailing addresses for every single state. On that page, you'll see that for each state, there are usually two different addresses. One address is for taxpayers who are enclosing a payment, like a check or money order. The other address is for those who are not making a payment, meaning you're either getting a refund or you owe nothing. It is critical that you use the right one. For example, a taxpayer in New York who is expecting a refund would mail their Form 1040 to a processing center in Kansas City, Missouri. However, if that same New Yorker was including a payment, they would mail their return to a different P.O. box in Charlotte, North Carolina. Sending your payment to the refund address, or vice versa, will slow everything down. Another great place to find the address is in the official instructions for the tax form you're using. If you download the PDF for Form 1040, the instruction booklet that comes with it will have a section near the back, usually called Where to File, that lists all the addresses. A very important thing to remember is that this is only for your federal taxes that go to the IRS. Your state income tax return goes to a completely different state agency, like your state's Department of Revenue or Franchise Tax Board. Never mail your federal and state tax returns in the same envelope. Here's a pro tip: when you do mail your federal return, we highly recommend using USPS certified mail. It costs a few extra dollars, but it provides you with a mailing receipt and proof that the IRS received your package. This is your insurance policy in case your return gets lost in the mail. Of course, the easiest way to avoid this whole mailing issue is to e-file. The IRS prefers it. It's more secure, you get your refund much faster, and you receive an immediate confirmation that your return was accepted. But if you have to mail a paper return, just be sure to triple-check that address on the IRS website before you seal the envelope. We hope this cleared up the confusion about where to send your tax forms. Getting it right the first time saves you a lot of headaches down the road. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward tax tips and financial advice. We'll see you in the next video.